Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a nighttime drive in the 2025 Acura Integra Type S. So I already have a daytime test drive video on this vehicle, which seems to have been pretty popular. A lot of people like that one. So just wanted to get this one out on the road at night for a more quiet drive. If you want to learn more about the car, I have walkarounds, multiple walkarounds on the Integra Type S. But let's just get it going. But quickly, we'll go for a quick walk around on this one before we get it out on the road. It's a bit dirty, so bear with me. This is liquid carbon metallic. Great color. I think it's my favorite color on the Integra Type S. It really looks good. Thank you guys for joining me on this nighttime drive of the 2025 Acura Integra Type S. As I've said in a lot of my videos on the Integra Type S, I think this is an awesome vehicle. Really fun to drive. It looks really good. Handling is really good, even like in the normal modes. Like, the steering just feels so great. It feels very connected to the road. There's no amount of, it doesn't feel vague in any way. It's very sharp and it feels nice and heavy. It's a very responsive steering feel in this car. And in terms of like ambient lighting or anything like that, there's really not a whole lot. It's just like this little white strip. Yeah, it doesn't really change the drive modes either. But yeah, overall the Integra Type S is a great car. If you're thinking about getting one, definitely get it. Awesome car, and everyone I know who owns one really likes it. But thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Integra Type S and other cool Acura cars.